Chemang for joining in and filling us in with your take on a whole host of stocks. Well, so let's wind things down then. It's been a good trading session. The Nifty goes home with a gain of close to around 100 points. The mid-cap index, keeping in step, was up close to around 1% odd. In fact, that was a big outperformance. The number of stocks advancing way more than the number of stocks that were declining. What did well from the Nifty pack itself? Well, there were quite a few frontline names that did pretty well, and that's the reason why, in fact, the Nifty was up and about. Adani Ports, the stock is on its way to around 1,000 rupees. Titan, quietly that stock has been creeping up. It's moved up more than 10% in less than a month. Tech Mahindra continues to move with strength, up close to around 2%. And Divi's Laboratory as well did see a pretty good move. Tech has come back, and Infosys was a stock that did pretty well. On the flip side, Tree Cement took a break. It was a big outperformer last week. Was down close to around 1.5% after running last week. Coal India as well fears that there is supply that's coming in, so that stock as well did end with a cut of around 2.5%. And the HDFC Twins didn't do the Nifty too many favors. From the broader markets, what did very well was HAL. That stock was up 7.5%. Navin Fluorine, Deepak Nitride, well, they were flying away. ECC and Ambuja Cements, they are ready for the new promoter. Well, both those two stocks did quite well in trade. And on the losing end, you had India Bulls Housing Finance that didn't do very well. So to wind things down then, the Nifty had a solid knock today, up 100 points. The Nifty Bank was a relative underperformer with a gain of around 150 points odd. But the mid-cap index, that's where the party is. The music is playing, the stocks are dancing. And that stock was up. That index, in fact, was up close to around 1% odd. Well, on that note, though, we'll have to wrap up on this edition of Closing Bell. You don't go anywhere. On Monday,